live streaming is on.
Hello, Daniel. Hello.
Mm, yeah. Like this is my first time, literally. Like I was here last week, Thursday, but I came around 11, and it was like the class was already closed around 11. I think so.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. And today is like the fifth contact
Hello, can
section.
you hear me, Mama?
I can hear you. Hear me? I'm saying today is the fifth
Yeah, I can
contact,
hear you also, ma.
and according to the company's policy, if you miss like the first and the second contact section, you are not allowed to continue the class. You're not allowed to start the class. So I would advise you to just wait till the next contact section because you've already missed a lot so far. So there's no way you'll be able to catch up with the class. So you won't be able to stay in this class. So you have to
I
wait.
actually un- I actually understood. I actually understood what has been taught like in the past class.
Have you done the assignments? Hello?
Yeah. I've done the to do app with HTML and CSS. Yeah,
How
I've
many?
done the to do app with HTML and CSS.
That is it the first, the
It's
second?
just remaining the PHP.
So you've done like three assignments or two. Which one? Because giving them four assignments. So
I've done two.
okay, Samuel, what do you think?
I've done two.
Should we
Well,
continue?
if he understands what he's doing, because it's still basic basic beginner class. So if he knows, if he can cope with it, no problem. But if you're a newbie, you don't know, I think you should just take your time and go through it.
Okay, no problem. Daniel, please
I'm not a
send
newbie.
me phone number and email address so I can add you to the Slack channel. Do you hear what I just said?
Okay.
Your number and email address.
Yeah, I'm on the Slack channel.
You understand?
Oh, God. Yeah, this
Oh,
network is bad, man.
okay, that means you've attended this class before, right? I've gotten your information before.
Yeah, but I attended late. Yeah, that was why I said I attended late the last time I attended. Like I came around 11. There was a breach in communication between Bincom. They set the class
Yeah,
for 12. It was
yeah,
until when I called the customer support.
yeah. Okay. So since we're already on the Slack channel, there's no need. So you can continue with the class now. Thank you.
Okay. Miss
Okay, all right. Let's continue. So have we done the assignment and submitted it? That's to Daniel, you have two other assignments that you should have done. Um, making four assignments to today. So for the other persons, have
uh
you completed the
I've
assignment?
okay, so
Hey, Danny, want to say something? Do you have access to the elements?
no, I don't have access to the LMS.
Then how have you
I
been?
don't have access to the LMS. I downloaded the app. I tried going to the website.
How have you been submitting
Hello,
the?
Miss. God, I mean,
How have you been
I've
submitting
not
the?
actually submitted the assignment. I laid the complaint the last time that the LMS site is not going. I've not submitted the assignment. I laid the complaint the last time that the LMS has not been going through. But you told me that there was a technical error with the site, or there's a technical error with the site. So I should just go down and try again. I've been trying again since then, but it has not still been going through. It's just telling me server error. No, redirect error rather.
Working fine now. Try it now. It's working fine now. LMS is working fine now. People have been submitting the
Okay,
assignments.
let me just do that right now.
Try it. And if you are facing any challenges, send me a message on Slack.
Okay.
Now let me
I'm
know.
trying. It's loading right now.
Exactly.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay. It has loaded. Static.
All right. Yeah. So basically, um, Damila, Damilola. Yeah. Have you figured out the error you were having with this
With
computer? Yeah.
no, not really. I've even uninstalled it and then I installed it again, and now I'm just trying to go through the whole process and everything.
Okay.
And yeah, the
Yeah.
problem is if I try to run the code, it will be telling me that it can't because like the PHP is not connected or something. Like basically, I can't
Okay.
run PHP file.
Okay. You know what? Oh, share your screen and show me. Are you with your laptop?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So you can share your screen and show me what's going on so that we can fix it. It's funny.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, so I just installed it, and this is where I'm at now. I'm trying to set up and everything.
Okay. Do you have a PHP file?
The PHP file, yes, I do.
Like you have a code? Take
Yes.
me to where the code is.
Okay. Um, sorry, I have to share my entire screen.
Yeah. Yeah. Better.
Okay. So this is the this is the code that I have here.
Okay. Try to run it. Let me see.
Okay. This is the error I'm getting.
Okay.
Invalid configuration and all of that. And if I try to go live, it will say like it's not going to just open the file at all.
Yeah. Yeah. The reason is you're not doing it the right way. Okay. So I was trying to explain the other day. I think you should pay attention to what I was doing. So first of all, I want you to go to your file manager. Go to your file
Okay.
manager. Go to this PC, this PC, or you go to this PC. So
Okay.
open Windows. System, open it. Open HT Docs.
Okay.
So this is where your code should be. This is where it's supposed to run from. So that code now, you need to copy it and put it here.
All right.
Now, you're going to go to that server. Go to that server. Go to that um. What?
Sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
Yeah. So I want you to start Apache and start MySQL.
Okay.
Yeah, you can minimize. Open your browser. So first of all, I want you to type HTTP. Remove the S. Remove that S there. Okay, yeah, that's correct. You're right. Localhost. Localhost. Just yeah, they brought it up there for you. Yeah, just click enter. Let's see. Now I want you to go back to that. Go back to that place, or go back to your
This.
file. Go back to your file manager. Go back to
Okay.
where your project is. Go up. I want you to copy this. Yeah, simple calculator. Copy the wordings.
All right.
Just the simple calculator.
Oh, just a
Just
simple calculator.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Uh,
Go back
how did I
to
reach it?
welcome to Zam. That's it. That tab. Yeah, that
Yeah.
tab. No, welcome to Zam tab. Your browser.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now where you have dashboard, I want you to put simple calculator there.
Dashboard.
Localhost dash slash dashboard in the
Oh
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So where you have dashboard, where you have dashboard, where you have
Okay.
dashboard, that's where you put it.
So
Your code has run.
okay.
There's an error.
All
So
right, but there's an error.
yeah, so that's how
Okay.
you run.
So
That's how you run.
all
You can
right.
run anything from there now. So anything that you have done, like your other assignment, you can put it there and run it and see if it
Okay.
works. Yeah,
Okay. So I would have to start this first before
yeah,
I run the
yeah,
code.
yeah.
All right. Thank
That's
you.
why that's
Because
why
I've
running
been
like
trying to do this for a long time.
sorry.
Thank
All
you.
right, welcome. Okay, so Jackson, are you good?
Yes, I am. Oh, Jackson.
Yes, I am. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. So basically, let's go into MySQL. So within PHP, we're doing a lot of stuff. So MySQL, what is MySQL, and how does it relate to what we're doing? So MySQL is a database system used on the web. MySQL is a database system that runs on a server. So remember, we started that server. So MySQL, that server is a local server. MySQL is ideal for both small and large applications. MySQL is very fast, reliable, easy to use. MySQL uses standard SQL. MySQL compiles on a number of platforms. MySQL is free to download and use. MySQL is developed, distributed, and supported by Oracle Corporation. MySQL is named after co-founder Monty with his daughter, My. Okay, so the data in MySQL database are stored in tables, right? A table is a collection of related data and consists of columns and rows. Databases are useful for storing information categorically. A company may have a database with the following tables: employees, product, customers. So PHP plus MySQL database system, right? So PHP combined with MySQL are cross-platform, so you can develop with Windows and serve on a Unix. So you can use it to put on Windows or Unix, right? So let's start with database queries. A query is a question or a request. So we can query a database for specific information and have a record set return. So look at the following query. So this is a query. So this is saying select last name from employees. So employees is the table. Last name is the name of a column in that table. So you say select last name from employees. That's a query. So the query from above selects all data in last name column from the above employees table. Right. So you can learn more about SQL, download SQL, facts about SQL database. All right. Let's go to the next thing. So you connect. So the first thing you will not want to do is learn how to connect your database to your code. So you have a code. I have some code here. Okay, I have yeah, I have them. Let me show you something. So I have one project here. Um, let me, yeah, stats. So there's a project. Uh, yeah, let's just do it like this first. Let's take from um So your XAMPP comes with an inbuilt it's what we call okay. Uh okay. So all right, yeah. So we have some XAMPP comes with an inbuilt database system which we call PHP admin. PHP admin is more what you call like what's this word now? Um, graphics a GUI for a MySQL. So PHP admin works with MySQL database, but they've done it in such a way you don't have to code it. You just have to do some things to it. Like you can just create it. You can create a table by just clicking an icon. Meanwhile, I would advise that you go and learn. Um, okay, the reason I'm having quick connection issues because I'm running another code. I think so. I'm running another server, probably with the same port number. Let me try to solve that issue. Oh, I will start. Sorry, I will start my SQL. That's why. My SQL was not started. That's why I was not watching it. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. So MySQL was not started. Alright, so this works with MySQL. So this is more like a GUI for MySQL where um you don't have to write it line by line as a code. Right. For example, if I want to open this information, this is a database, right? Let me show you something. What will you be? Um, yeah, if I open this up now, so this is like a database, right? See, they created a table ID. Normally, you need to learn how to use this, right? Right, you need to learn how to use this. Insert into SQL syntax and all of that, right? But what this does for you using MySQL is that you use the UI. I don't have to do all of that. I just need to do create new and my database name. I can name it anything. Guest, and I say create, and we've created a database. Okay. So when you create a database, now what we want to do today is learn how to connect your database to your code. So I'm just going to show you an example. I already created the database before, which is this guy Income, right? And I'm going to open a code that has this guy here. So yeah. So this is the code. Now we're looking for where the connection is, which is database. This is two databases are here. Where's the connection? Yeah, connection. So this is where we did the connection. This is where we connected the database with this code. So we have a database. So we want to connect it. And so we say, so this is probably the we want to learn how to connect with database. Now this is a little bit more complicated or old. Right? You can use MySQL. There are just a few lines of code will solve this problem. Okay. So but what we did is that want to connect, you have to put the server name, the username, the password, and you now put it in this where's the word set that does the way um yeah. So but this is basically what connects the database with this um application. So if I run it, so all the information I have here, the database. Let's check the database here. So we have income, we have different things. Let's just check our product. So we have all this information that here. they are connected through this PHP admin connected to your code or to your project, via that code that we have there. So that's what we want to do. Okay, so PHP 5.5 can work with MySQL database using MySQL LI extension. The I stands for improve and PDO. So this one PHP data update. This is my connection. I use PDO to do the connection, right? So should I use MySQL or PDO? PDO is a bit longer. So if you need a short answer, it would be whatever you like. Both MySQL and PDO have the advantages. So PDO will work on 12 different database systems, while MySQL will work on only with MySQL database. Okay, so if you have to switch your project to use another database, PDO makes the process easy. You only have to change the connection string and a few queries. With MySQL you will need to rewrite the entire code, queries included. So both are object oriented, but MySQL offers a procedural API. So both support prepared statement. Prepared statements protect from SQL injection and are very important for web application security. Okay, so MySQL examples in both MySQL and PDO. In these, the point chapters will demonstrate three ways of working with PHP and MySQL. Okay, so this one says installation, open MySQL. Okay, so this is basically for the one for MySQL. So this code that is here is what we use to create the connection. Okay, so you put your server name. This will create a variable name, server name, username, password. We'll create a variable name connection, and this connection will say new MySQL. This is the code. New MySQL code. This is the connection. You put your server name, username, password. So you now say if connection connect error, then you say connection failed die, or else echo connected successfully. This is just the code. By calling this function here, you have created a connection. This code actually, this line of code is what creates this this connection. Okay, right. So if you want to create so you can create a table or create anything, a form, right? And you call it out. So we're going to learn how to not just create tables, insert data, and get out data out of MySQL. So just know this is the code you need to create a connection. Okay. Okay. Should I go back and just show you the one for video, right? So this is one for video. Same thing, new line. But this one looks a bit complicated than the first one. Here you see. This is what we used for Pioneer. So try connection new PDO. This is the line. See connection set attribute, forward exception, except connection failed. So you catch the error. So this is the one for PDO. Okay. So close connection. Yeah. Let's go to the next thing. Create a database. Okay. So to create a database, I won't go so much about this. I think you just gonna read them. Create a database using SQL. These are SQL commands. These are you create a database. So SQL create database MyDB. If connection is and query SQL is equal to true, then this is was done successfully. If not, error. So this line of code like this created a database. All right, just goes like that. Create a table, insert data, how to get last ID, and all of that. So I think you should learn that. Then what I want to say is how to use CRUD. So create read um, with PHP admin. So I'm going to teach you with PHP admin. I'm going to try to show you with PHP admin. Okay, so let's go back to this guy, right? So um, now, so you see why you need to know these things. So once you are trying to if you want to output something from the code, so you make sure the connection is correct. You select out of it, so you can manipulate anything you want to do with the table that is there. Once you know understand how to use SQL syntax, and you can use it to create and easy to add or output whatever you have in the database. Okay. So basically, first thing first, let us do the connection. Okay, let's do the connection. So um, are you through with the calculator? Is everybody through with the calculator? Hello.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to ask you to do now is create a table that shows um, create a table that shows the output or that shows the record of um, that stores information. Okay. So you would know you would yeah you would need to know how to use you will need to know how to use a form. Okay. I'm sure you use a form to create your calculator. So you will need to learn how to use a form to store information. But first of all, you have to create the table first, the database, create the table and connect it to your code. Then you now need to input whatever data that's coming in from the form. You send it into the database. So that's basically what we need to do. Look at insert data. So you will let learn how to insert data into the database using this query. So insert into table column one the values. So any value that you get from this form. So you need to learn how to use that the get attribute or post attribute from form. And whatever you get from your form, you input it into the table using this code. This line of code is what you use to input into your data. So whatever form, whatever you put, so what I want you to do is that whatever records, like if you do 2 plus 2 equals to 4, let the 4 be stored inside the database. Do you understand? You can even use the timestamp for this time when this was calculation. So just do the record. Can you do something like that? Hello? Can we do it? Can you hear me?
Um,
We
sir,
self would like one.
what is that? Are we to create a form with MySQL or a
No, no.
table?
No. What you use to create your calculator? Did you create? Let me see your calculator. Okay, you have an error. Your calculator basically
Yes.
you would use a form, and so which means that you can get you can get the output either a form and input whatever you can get the result. So let's say your calculator does 5 times 10, 20. I want you to be able to create a database, connect it with your calculator, and be able to store the have a memory, store whatever was the total or whatever was the result of every calculation in the database. That's what I said you should do using PHP and MySQL. Can you do that?
I can
It's not
try. I
easy.
wish to
Yeah, you can
submit.
try. Even if you are having an issue, you can always check. One of the things that you probably need to learn how to do is use your Google very well. Use Google to get information. Use Google to know what's going on. So,
Yes.
and also, I'm also here if you have questions to ask, you can ask me. So, but we're going to do this like a class work or something, yeah, like a work now. So just try to do that with your calculator.
Please,
Jackson,
can you type the question?
the question, I should type it. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So I'm here with you.
Sorry, the network took me out. What did I miss?